In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. I am Professor Ameer. I hope that you will be doing well. Let us learn phrasal verbs and prepositional verbs, part 1, D. Number 1 phrasal verb is bring about, meaning to cause to happen, to effect. Sentences. He can bring about a change in his behavior by following good people. His carelessness can only effect a failure. Number 2. Bring around, meaning restore to consciousness or life, persuade. Sentences. We tried to bring him around when he fell and fainted. They should accept his proposal to bring him around. Number 3. Break out, meaning to develop or emerge suddenly, escape, separate items or data. Sentences. There was a stampede when fire broke out in the factory. The criminal thought of breaking out of jail, but he couldn't do so. Please break out the different items of this container. Number 4. Break up, meaning to separate into pieces, emotionally upset. End a relationship, dissolve. Sentences. The plane broke up when it hit a hill. He was completely broke up after the loss of his company. The difference of thoughts broke up their friendship. The meeting broke up without reaching any conclusion. Number 5. Blow up, meaning to explode, become violently angry, fill up, zoom in. Sentences. A bomber was dead when the bomb blew up in his hands. He always blows up at us when we reach a bit late. They blew up a balloon and sent it up in the air. Please blow up the picture for clear view. I think this video is useful to you. If you find this useful, like this video, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.